So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my 1688 Chinese shopping app. After you open up my 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you search for product from different supplier. Then after you are able to search for product from different supplier right here, next thing you need to do is to make sure you add the product to cart. Then after you add the product to cart, click on here to fill your cart. Then all the products you have added so far in your cart is going to be found right here. Next thing you can do here is to select them one after the other. So I'm going to pay for this. I'm going to select this and I'm paying for this. I will scroll down, I'm paying for this, and I'm paying for this, I'm paying for this, and I'm going to simply select this. Then having select all, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. Then from the checkout right here, I can simply scroll down right here, scroll down and check on everything right here. Once you're satisfied with everything, click on here to proceed to payments. So right here, I'm paying the sum of 104.60 yen with my Alipay. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed with payments. Then here, I will need to enter my payment password. Just like so, payment has been done successful. So I was able to pay to about 6 different suppliers right here. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to close this pump up. I'm going to refresh here and all the products is no longer being found right here. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, the product is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China or how to pay your supplier with Alipay on 1688, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.